Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to invite your friends in the Apple Games app on iOS 26 on your iPhone and iPad. With iOS 26, Apple has launched a brand new Games app to offer a more social and interactive gaming experience. So whether you are competing for high scores or teaming up in multiplayer games, inviting your friends is now easier than ever before. If you're new to the Apple Games app or just exploring its updated features, this guide will show you how to invite friends and start playing together in just a few quick steps. That's it, let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to launch the Apple Games app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to tap your profile located at the top right. After that, you have to choose the friend request option. Then you have to head over to the friend suggestions section and tap on add friends option. Then you have to search for your friends and invite them via the Apple Messages app. And once they have accepted your invitation, they will become part of your gameplay. Now you can play your games together, compare scores on leaderboards, and even check what your friends are playing. And that's about it. Now you know how to invite your friends in the Apple Games app on iOS 26 or later and make the most out of your shared gaming sessions. Whether it's casual fun or serious competition, playing with friends adds a whole new level of excitement. So go ahead, send those invites and enjoy gaming together on your iPhone and iPad. And I'll catch you up in the next one.